Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make thin lines in Canva. It's a pretty easy job to do. What we want to do, we want to go to your project. We want to go for elements and go with lines and shapes. As you can see, there's a lot of lines and shapes, even hard. It's completely up to you. And go with this one. You can see you can play with it, you can adjust it and underscore it like hello YouTube. It's very easy. What about now? When we want to make a couple of lines, Canva actually helps us with doing so. We don't have to use only the full ones. You can do it like that. If you want to move it as a project, you can zip all the lines like this, and you can move the whole thing. It's very easy. You'll find a lot of things to play with here in Canva and basically tweak it as you like. So as you can see, there's a lot of free lines and shapes, and you don't need to actually pay for them. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.